Supporters of BNP leader Ishraq Hussain have threatened to bring Dhaka to a standstill if the government does not officially declare him as the mayor of Dhaka South City Corporation DSCC. Meanwhile, High Court has said it will pass the order on writ petition on Thursday. Earlier, the High Court on Tuesday fixed Wednesday for passing an order on a writ petition challenging the legality of government gazette that declared Ishraq Hussain as mayor of Dhaka South City Corporation, based on a lower court's verdict. The bench of Justice MD Akram Hussain Chaudhary and Justice Devashish Roy Chaudhary set the date after holding a hearing on the petition filed by Supreme Court lawyer and DSCC resident Mamunur Rashid. The writ petition also sought a rule from the High Court asking the government and the Election Commission to explain why they should not restrain from administering the oath of office to Ishraq.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।